Every business accumulates clutter, from old office chairs to outdated tech. But what about clearing an entire retail store? Mannequins, shelves, even point-of-sale systems. They handle that. The service goes beyond just hauling big items. It's also about managing sensitive ones. They can handle electronics disposal and e-waste recycling for environmental compliance, keeping your business compliant. We'll show what they take, what they can't, how they dispose of it responsibly, and the services you didn't know existed. So, beyond extreme cases, what does a typical commercial cleanout involve? Let's begin with the basics you see every day. First up, standard office furniture. Desks, chairs, filing cabinets, and entire cubicle systems can be dismantled and removed. Next is the mountain of e-waste. This includes computers, monitors, printers, servers, and all your networking gear. They also handle the heavy debris from renovations or construction sites. Concrete, wood, metal, drywall, and roofing materials. For retail businesses, this service can clear out old or unsold inventory, freeing up valuable floor space almost instantly. Junk removal services aren't just for offices. They support property managers, restaurants, schools, warehouses, and manufacturing facilities. They can take almost anything. But where does it all go? The answer is a key differentiator for professional junk removal. The primary goal is landfill diversion. Reputable companies sort the items they collect to maximize what can be salvaged. They do this through established networks. Usable furniture goes to charities, while metal and e-waste go to recycling centers. This isn't just good for the planet. It aligns with corporate social responsibility goals and can provide sustainability reports. But what about items that aren't easily donated? Things like old refrigerators with specific disposal regulations. This is where strict rules and regulations come into play. Knowing what they can't take is as vital as knowing what they can. Revisiting that retail store. A team arrives, dismantles heavy gondola shelving, and carts away mannequins and old stock. Or picture an office move-out. Crews efficiently break down dozens of cubicles, hauling away desks, chairs, and old files. On a construction site, they clear piles of wood, metal scraps, and concrete. This keeps the site safe and prevents delays. Significantly, these jobs can be scheduled after hours or on weekends, minimizing disruption to your ongoing business. The scope seems nearly limitless, but there are hard lines they cannot cross for safety and legal compliance. The number one restriction is hazardous materials. This is non-negotiable due to safety risks and strict environmental laws. This includes items like paints, chemicals, solvents, and asbestos. These require specialized hazmat disposal services. In the same way, medical waste is off-limits. Sharps, medications, or anything biohazardous need a licensed medical waste firm. Even for accepted materials, like construction debris, local rules can apply. Some cities require specific permits or services. Remember that old refrigerator? It contains Freon. By law, it must be drained by a professional before it can be legally hauled. So how does this all come together for a business owner? It's about seeing this not as a task, but as a strategic solution. Recall the eco-friendly e-waste recycling and the full office cleanout. A single vendor can manage removal and responsible disposal. The best junk removal services don't stop at removal. Some offer light demolition or post-removal cleaning, leaving the space ready. This integrated approach is the full-service model, allowing your team to focus on business while the haulers do all the heavy lifting. So, what can junk removal companies take from a business? Almost everything, from the mundane to the complex, if it's non-hazardous. It's a service that handles office furniture, construction debris, secure e-waste, and even the full contents of a retail store. For any manager, this is more than clearing space. It's a partnership for managing transitions and meeting business goals. Assess your business's needs, identify problem items, and consult a professional for a clear plan. It's the simplest way to solve it.